to Edsembli Human Resources and Payroll, an HRP solution purposefully built for education. Edsembli HRP manages all aspects of an employee's life cycle, from hire to retire. In our previous video, we looked at the employee self-service features, which aims to reduce the number of calls and emails coming into your HR department. Today, we are going to discover the professional development tools available to school districts in Edsembli HRP. Education is all about people. If you cannot motivate, develop, and retain your best people, it will impact the student experience. That's where Edsembli's employee appraisal system comes in. Here's how it works. Employees will be notified when it is time for their performance review. We designed this to complement the appraisal process by allowing employees to complete online digital forms and receive guidance through the workflow process with their manager. The forms will automatically populate with information related to the employee and their position. Everything from form style to content is completely customizable and supports many field types, including text boxes, tables, dates, and digital signatures. Become interrupted? No problem. You can save the form in progress and come back to it later. And once you're finished, simply send it to the manager to kick off the workflow. If the manager requires additional information, they may return it to the employee through a digital workflow requesting more details. So, that was easy. Next, let's talk about health and safety. It's no secret health and safety is on everyone's mind these days. Preventing health and safety incidents is essential today. Many school districts offer at-risk employees dedicated training and awareness programs. Edsembli's Health and Safety module takes employees through the required content. Plus, you can include videos and testing questions to ensure the information is retained. If an employee tries to skip ahead too quickly, they will be prevented from moving on until they have had time to consume all of the content in the module. Edsembli HRP makes it easy for you to ensure compliance with health and safety initiatives. Administrators and managers can run reports to track training completion by individual, location, and employee group. And there you have it, a quick glimpse into how Edsembli HRP keeps your health and safety initiatives on track. Get in touch with an Edsembli HRP specialist today to find out how Edsembli's Human Resources and Payroll solution can help your school district modernize its approach to professional development.